Hi, this is Collins Brown from the Market Protocol team. Today I'm going to give a quick demonstration on how you can do a simplified contract deployment. You can see when you go to the website, dApp.marketprotocol.io, you're greeted with this welcome screen. I've already logged into the Rinkeby testnet. Just make sure on the top left that you are connected to the testnet and that you're logged into MetaMask. I'm going to select Simplified Deploy from the Deploy Contracts dropdown. On the first page, we get to select which API we'd like to use. Today we're going to use Binance. Then we're going to select which pair we'd like to trade. We're going to select EOS and ETH. Then you can see the current price. You can see the floor that is automatically input and the cap. You can change those to whatever you'd like to change them when you create the contract. Next, we're going to select the expiration date. Click here, a calendar drops down. For this demonstration, we're going to choose 31st of July. Contract name is pre-populated there. You can change that to whatever you would like. I'm just going to leave the pre-populated name now. The gas limit is fixed, and you can't change that, but you can change the gas price. Down here in these links, there's a link to the ETHScan gas tracker that can help you better be informed on what gas price you would use. Today I'm just going to select 4. Deploy the contract. MetaMask is going to ask you if you're okay with this transaction. We're going to say yes. And now the contract is in the process of being deployed to the blockchain. After this is completed, I've already gone through one, so we don't have to wait. You get a congratulations report that says your contract's been deployed. Thank you for watching the video. Please check out the website at marketprotocol.io. Join us on Telegram to interact with the community and the team.